Good afternoon and welcome back to our cat porch. Let's find some cats. Hi King Shibi, how you doing, buddy? I moved the castle out here, did some cleaning up. It's not too bad now. It was a total mess before. It's a cloudy day and not particularly warm. Let's look at the thermometer. See, it's colder out there though. Hi, little bear. Hi, big Shib. You like your castle? You're the king, huh? See what these guys are doing. Okay, good. They're eating their treats. What do you think, little bear? Well, I'm about to start work on another cat shelter. I have the pieces already cut out. And I'm going to try really hard this time to video document how to put it together. And with any luck, I'll have some okay instructions on how to build a cat shelter. All right, thanks for hanging out with us.